we had a story recently. We had a retrofit install switching a home over to a heat pump. We had assumed in our medium-term improvement plan a certain flow temperature on the heat pump system. We sent that out to a retrofit designer, so the system and heating engineer designed the heat pump. They assumed a slightly different flow temperature, and we checked that and came back and said, okay, well, you're the designer, that's fine, we've made an assumption, we'll change our assumption. And the installer went in and installed it with a different heat flow temp again. And so we were in this position where we then had 3 different flow temperatures, and actually with that home we had some of our hardware in. We could actually monitor the delivered flow temperature on the final home. And so as a retrofit coordinator, our role was to unpick all of this and find out what was right, why did it change, and all the rest of it. But really the outcome was, did the heat pump still deliver affordable comfort for that resident? Were they running at a sufficiently high efficiency, a SCOP, to allow that home to deliver comfort at an affordable price for the resident? If the flow temp is 5 degrees higher or not, does it matter? And that's kind of the outcome-based thing. We can get drawn into the details, and we do, and we absolutely check all of this stuff because we're trying to get the quality outcome. But if it doesn't move the outcome for the resident, and maybe the target was £40 a month on the heating bill, if it's still £40 a month on the heating bill but the SCOP is a fraction lower, do we mind? And if it moves it, if it's £42, objective missed. Okay, so I think we've got to get back to that clear goals at the start, as you say, and then being able to measure them at the end.